welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evelyn. I am one of the beauty influencer. I do a lot of makeup review, product reviews and all that other jazz. So in today's video, I'm actually going to review for you guys a new curling wand. I was really blessed and NUME was really kind enough to send me their new OCTAWAND. This is their new curling iron, which comes with 8 interchangeable barrels, so you can actually change it to whatever style you want to do with your hair. I already have one of them plugged in over here, which I used on my hair today, and the way it's looking right now, I used this particular one, and there's 7 more over here, from really large to this curly kind of wand, which I'm really curious about trying. I'm going to be definitely trying this one very soon, and I'll show you guys again. But I just wanted to quickly show you how beautiful and stunning this set is. The fact that it comes with its own case, I absolutely love it. I hate it when I receive a hair tool which comes like just in a bag, and then you have to find a place to store it. This is absolutely amazing. I love this feature. I love this feature because it means I don't have to find a space. It already has its own space. So so if you want to see how I created this kind of beigey wave kind of look on my hair today, if you have any questions regarding this, feel free to ask me in the comment section and I'm happy to answer. So you check all the description, and yeah, so let's just not waste any more time, so I can quickly show you guys how I created this beautiful hair using my new NUME OCTAWAND. I am in love with this. Okay beauties, so I am going to show you guys how I'm about to use my NUME OCTAWAND 8 interchangeable wand curling iron. So basically I'm going to use this one today, and I'm just gonna plug it. You just pop it in your extensions. I'm just gonna pop this in. Okay, hold on a second, it's a lot. And I'm gonna just press this in, and there we have it. And I'm gonna change the setting to lock, so it will lock everything in place, so it won't move or anything. Now I have a temperature. While the wand is blue, it means it's still off, and you can just turn it on from the power button right here, and this will start showing you. As soon as you turn it on, it will start showing you the temperature right here. The temperature goes up to 450, and I'm gonna do 430 today. My hair is slightly greasy, but that's how I prefer it when I do curls, because then the curls actually hold longer in my hair. So I'm gonna let this heat up. You will know when it's ready to use, because the light will change from blue to green a little bit higher. So see, now the light has changed to green, as you can see, and it means it's ready to use. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I'm planning to do, I don't know what I'm planning to do right now, because I never used a wand like this before. So I'm gonna still curl it away from my face, but I want to see how it goes. The tighter you will hold, the tighter your curl will be. The looser you will put, the more like a beach wave kind of more soft and loose your curl will be. I'm gonna try tighter first and see how it goes, and if I need to change anything, then I'll change it. So what I usually do is, my way of doing curling my hair is, I wait for 20 seconds heat to come through. As soon as I start feeling the heat on my hand, I just let the curl go, just like this, and I'm just gonna let it sit in my hand for a few minutes. I like to press it in and just do a little wiggly thing and let go. See, so this is how the curl came out. The first one looks pretty good actually. So I'm gonna leave it on. I'm gonna leave it like this, and just do the rest of my hair. I have to say though, it did the job really well and really fast. I was thinking I have to hold it for a while, but I like it. So I'm pretty much gonna do the same technique all around my head, and then I'll show you right at the end how I'm going to brush them out and style them and everything. But for now, I'm gonna follow the same technique. First thing I have to tell you is, this wand is pretty hard right now, so it's doing the job super duper quick, which I like it. And I really like the finish of this wand, because sometime when the okay peeps, so this is my full head done. As you can see right now they're looking super duper tight, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to brush them out. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take my Living Proof full dry volume and texture spray and just kind of like spray in my hair and kind of add a little bit volume before I brush them out. You can also do hairspray as well, because my hair is slightly dirty, I want to add a little bit of a texture spray, so after combing it they don't look flat, instead they look super duper full. Okay. Okay, so just gonna rub my fingers in my hair quickly to add that volume. Okay, if you can hear some cartoons at the back, that's my daughter sitting here watching iPad. She loves to just sit with me at all times. Okay, just run your fingers a little bit in your hair, so you massage it well so it creates that volume. Do a little bit around here, pick it up, just add a little bit here. So this, my crown looks super duper full. Okay, once I have my texture spray in, I'm gonna take a white tooth comb, something like this, and I'm kind of gonna very lightly just brush them out a little bit more, so they're gonna look a bit like soft waves, not super duper loose waves, but they're gonna look really nice. So I'm gonna just brush all of it out. See, looking so nice. Okay, and once I have brushed all of them out nicely, okay, they're gonna look, I'm gonna just bring them forward so you can see. Look at this, it's looking so nice, so full. Thank you NUME for sending this over. I absolutely love this wand. So yeah, once again, do check out the description. Everything will be in the description box, so you can easily find out where you can get one.